So I keep having this reoccurring dream where Ronald McDonald is choking me out, and I kind of like it. And for some reason, my high school teacher is in the corner watching us, and he has like this pleased look on his face. But like Ronald McDonald is like he's angry. He's angry choking me, right? But the whole situation feels kind of wholesome, like it's I'm with my family and we're just chilling, having fun, enjoying life, you know. So if anyone knows what the fuck that means, hit me up. But anyway, let's talk about Dragon Warrior, right? So I discovered this game like 3 or 4 days ago. Apparently, before we get into anything, this is Dragon Warrior version 2 because they had the game released already with the Dragon Warrior token with the GON token, which is this one, and I don't know what the fuck the problem was with it. It had no sale tax or withdraw tax or whatever tax it didn't have, and some bots fucked it up. So they had to go and change the token to which is now Gone Plus, and that's their token now. So I don't know what the fuck to think about that, but let's get into the game. So Dragon Warrior, right? Let me after you enter the app, you get this screen where you can see your warriors and whatever. Of course, after you summon them, but we'll get into that later. So basically, this is the game. Exciting, I know. But let's see the features then, right? Dragon Warrior features. We build a set of NFT-based characters. Blah blah blah. How to play? Get started. Play to earn. Game cycles. Easy, right? So let me. Okay, so you have some nice champions here, right? Okay, you're showing off, pussy. Okay, bro, listen. So anyway, you enter the app, the game. You're not gonna have any warriors, so you have to go to summon, right? So it costs 500 Gone Plus to summon a warrior, which is kind of expensive actually right now. So 500, it's 0.15 BNB, which is like $60 or $70, right? To get one warrior. I got in around here, so 1/3 of the price that is now. But you can have up to 5 warriors, right? And then once you have your warriors, you basically go to the battle dragon. You choose your warrior that you want to fight with and your weapon, and then you choose one of these dragons, right? So you have, you know, weaker dragons with bigger win rates that you win more often, or stronger dragons, but you win more shit and lose more often, right? So you win experience, the token, and the blood. And we'll get into that in a bit. So this is a normal fight. In the meantime, while these boys are duking it out, let me see if I am recording. I am. That's amazing, man. What a good YouTuber I am, right? So while your transaction is going through, you're gonna see. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? I'm trying to fucking make a nice example of this fucking game, of how nice it is, and you can fucking play to earn and shit, and I lose with 85% chance. Are you okay? So again, as you can see, the stamina bar, you can use your warrior 4 times a day, right? So well, actually no, because every bar reloads every 4 hours, I think. So you can use it 6 times a day, right? Because in 24 hours, I guess. Wait, 8, 16. Yeah, 5 times a day. Wait, 5 times a day. Wait, am I stupid? 8, 16. That's 4. 6 times. All right. You can use it 6 times a day, and with a level 2, I got 30 gone. Right? Is that how much I got? I wasn't paying attention. And with the level 1s, you get less. Obviously, the higher the level of the warrior, the more gone and blood you get, and also if you have a better weapon. But I'll get into that in a bit after these guys finish fighting it out. So this is basically the whole game for now, right? So 25. So it costs 500 to get a warrior. So to get 5, you need 2,500. So let's just say you get a full ass team. How much would that be? Holy fucking god! $400 to get a fucking team, and then you win on average, let's say 30. I mean, of course, this is with level 1, I mean 1 star and 2 star, let's say. Although when I did start a few days ago, the rewards were double, because as the price grows, the rewards get smaller as well. I don't know if they're going to change how much it costs to summon a thing as well, if it's going to stay 500 or not. But if you do 30, and you can do 6 on each character, and you have that's 30, and then 30 times 30 is 900, right? 30 times 30 is 900, I think. Probably. Surely. So let's say you can make 900 a day. Yeah, so that's 1/4. So in 4 days, if it all stays the same, you should get the return on investment back. Plus, what I really wanted to get into is the price and the tokenomics of the whole thing. And that's why I really kind of wanted to make a video. Because, so you earn the tokens. Obviously, as time passes by, you're going to be earning less and less tokens if the price is going up. I think they sort of have an oracle as well, where if the price goes down, you earn more rewards as well. Maybe? I don't know. So far, I have 3,800. So I already made back what I started with. And plus, I started when it was like lower. So basically, it's profit at this point. And I'm still holding on to them. So there's a 50% tax that you start with, and it goes down 5 each day. So in 10 days, you'll have 0 tax, and you can withdraw all of it. But I'll be holding on to my tokens for a while, because if we have a look at the tokenomics here, so it's at 12 cents currently, and the total supply is 10 million, which is, again, extremely low, and the market cap is 1 million, less than 1 million. Therefore, if the game does continue to be play to earn, and you can actually make a profit and a return on investment on it, and people start joining in, and the token gets used, the price should be going up, right? Because a $1 million market cap is absolutely trash can in the current crypto market, right? You see fucking play to earn game tokens at $300. I mean, $300 market cap. Like, let's go to Bomber Coin, since it's so popular now. Look, 262 million market cap, right? And the total supply is 100 million. So that's what I'm saying. Like, a lot of games are at huge market caps. So if that happens to this shit as well, and I hold on to my fucking tokens, that would be kind of cool. Now, also, another reason why I think it's a pretty good game and the token can have value and not just hit the dirt in the fucking with the fucking worms like crypto blades, is because you actually have to use the token to maintain yourself to play the game. So if you go to your warriors, right, after you fight with them, you lose HP, and you need HP to fight. And to get that, you need to use your gone tokens. Now, obviously, you have to pay less than what you make in the fight. It doesn't show anymore how much you need to pay. Before, it used to show. But it's like, I would use all 4 stamina bars to make like 30 or 40 tokens, and then I had to use like 5 to get the HP back where it was. So it's still profitable. And then you also have to use it for your weapons, because you have durability, which also goes down. So you have to keep putting it on, so it doesn't, so you can actually use it. Also, the bigger the durability and your HP and the character, the more you earn, right? So you constantly want to keep them high. So the token has use, and I'm assuming it's going to have more use in the future as well. After they add more features, they have the PvP and battle event coming, I think, this year. I don't know about the PvP. I think the battle event is coming first. I forgot. Let's look at what the fuck's going on here. Oh, and then there's also the dragon blood that you also get. And then once you have 10,000 of it, and you go here, you click this, right? To use 10,000 dragon blood to tame a dragon. and then you tame a dragon of whatever element. I don't know if you have to actually have to win the fight or not, but yeah, you dream what tame whatever dragon of whatever element, and then it's gonna give you an extra percentage of win rate as well against an element that it's good against. I think it was like 7% that it gives you. Where the fuck is it? Okay, whatever. I don't know where it is. But basically, it gives you 7% more win rate against elements that it's good against, and 2% only for elements that it's not good against. I don't know if you can have multiple dragons. I don't think. I mean, I don't know if you can use multiple dragons in fights. I guess we'll see. The marketplace still isn't out. The clans still aren't out, so there's still a lot that they need to add. And currently, it is still play to earn because you can still make a quick return on investment and then profit. And if the price keeps going up, then good shit. Because, like I said, the market cap ridiculously low. So if the team doesn't fuck up again, I think it's a pretty all right game. I mean, I guess that's it. I don't know what else to fucking. It's guys. Oh, should I make it flashy? Like Hi guys, welcome to my fucking YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification buttons. Today we have a fucking amazing NFT game for you. The earnings are out of this fucking world. You're gonna make money out of your fucking ass. I can't believe how quickly I quickly found this gem. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do workout videos every day. Oh god, my neighbors think I'm fucking retarded. Okay, I think I'll end the video here before I lose my mind. Um, bye.